Hello Spore Finance holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Spore Finance. What's the current price of Spore Finance? What's the price changes occur in the Spore Finance? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe channel for more news, for more updates videos, my friends. Now this time, my friends, the price of the Spore Finance is zero, and you know what, the price changes is positive, but except of these positive changes, the bad crash coming soon in the Spore Finance. The danger move of the Spore is coming soon, so get ready, be alert and be safe from those, because the big crash, the bad crash of the Spore Finance is coming soon, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends. Now, my friends, if you talk about the price of the Spore, so you already know about the Spore price, that the Spore Finance is price is very low. That is why the price showing here as zero, my friend. The price is very low, and you can see the changes occur in the Spore Finance is positive. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Spore Finance is positive. So that's a good, that's a great news for all Spore Finance holders, that now in this time the changes is positive. But you know what, my friends, the big crash, the big danger move of the Spore Finance is coming soon. So how you can save yourself from loss, in this video I'm going to show you. You have to only hold Spore Finance for the long time, my friends. When the funding of the Spore Finance is start, so that's not mean that you decide to sell. No, my friends, don't decide to sell. There's only a temporary falls for the next 1 week, my friends. For the next 1 week, the price falls down, and after 1 week, the price will again pump. So that's why I'm telling you that please don't decide to sell. Hold, my friends. A lot of people, when see a small falls occur in the Spore Finance, so they decide to sell. No, don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell. Please hold for a long time, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and also subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.